This is the Edgewood Decorative Series fan by Fanimation. With tradition, quality, design, and now an Energy Star rating, the fan has clean lines and a traditional look, and is a smart energy-saving addition to your home. This fan is available in a satin nickel finish with light walnut reversible blades, tortoiseshell finish with light walnut reversible blades, and as seen here, a white finish with white oak, white reversible blades. The reversible blade sets are included. This fan will work on any ceiling slope up to 30 degrees and has a 52-inch blade suite. The light shown on the fan is optional. There are 3 forward and 3 reverse speeds to the fan, and an optional remote control is sold separately. This fan is not recommended for damp locations, only indoor use. Now the airflow is rated at 6876 CFMs.